The new Dugard 65 Twin Turret SY, a CNC mill-turn lathe with twin turrets, twin spindles and Y-axis. The largest in our production lathe series, the 65 TTSY has an extra-large capacity of 70mm diameter to handle even larger workpieces, giving you enhanced versatility and machining capabilities. It features a built-in main spindle motor working in conjunction with a 16-station driven tool upper servo turret, incorporating the Y-axis at plus and minus 50mm. That, combined with a second spindle of equal capacity, with a lower 16-station driven tool turret, allows you to easily complete all of your complex components in a single operation. The machine has 8 or 10-inch hydraulic chucks on main and sub spindles and 70mm bar capacity on an A26 spindle nose. Maximum cutting diameter is 325mm. Maximum cutting length is 525mm, and the distance between centres is 1045mm. It has spindle speeds of 60 to 6000 RPM, as well as dual 16-station live tool turrets. There are 32 live tool stations available, therefore any combination of live or static tools can be used. The turning tools are 25mm square and the boring bies are 25mm in diameter. The 65 Twin Turret SY has premium heavy-duty linear cross-roller slideways on all axes. This provides a superior cutting platform with enhanced rigidity for improved surface finish and better tool life. The cross-roller design is twice as stiff as ball slideways and is even stiffer than a boxway design for superior dampening characteristics. For more information on the Dugard 65 Twin Turret SY, please go to our website www.dugard.com.